I'm going to show you how to factory reset a pair of these SHOKZ OpenSwim Pro headphones. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues putting in pairing mode or it can't connect to a device, one side's not working, maybe it's out of sync, maybe it keeps disconnecting and so on. Anyway, with a factory reset is very simple here. So first thing is we want to turn these off. Okay, so you got the plus button here and the minus button here. Let me just press and hold that plus button until it turns off. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, just turned off. Okay, now it's off. Okay, now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to press and hold that plus button again. I'm going to hold and wait till it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, and then I'm going to let go. Okay, so plus button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding, wait, wait, wait. Blue, red, blue, red. There it is. Okay, now next thing we want to do is we want to press both of these, plus, minus, and also this multifunction button here. All three buttons. Okay, so let me put my finger on both of the buttons here, and then I'm going to put in a multifunction button here, and you want to press and hold. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now just keep holding. If you have these in your ear, you'll hear like a chime. I'm just going to hold it here and I'll feel it. Okay, I just felt it vibrate and you saw the solid blue light, and then once that's done, it goes back into pairing mode. So the factory reset is done now. Now the thing is before I did the factory reset, I was connected to this iPhone here. Okay, so if I want to connect back to this iPhone, I have to go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then I have to delete it off my pairing list right here. So you can see I had it right here. So let me forget this device or unpair or basically delete it off the pairing list. And now I can go ahead and connect back. Okay, it's blinking red, blue, which indicates it's in the pairing mode. Let me just turn Bluetooth off and I'll turn it back on, let it rescan again. Well, there we go. And now I can connect back to this phone, connected. Pretty simple.